Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download all files from your group chat in Telegram PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer, and first of all, I'm going to open my Telegram application, and we can choose a group chat we want to download all files from. I'm going to open this group chat, and we can click on the three dots on the top right, and there will be some options for us, and we have to choose export chat history. Okay, and here you will be able to select the type of the files you want to download. You can choose photos, videos, voice messages, video messages, stickers, GIFs, and files. And I'm just going to choose files and photos and videos. Okay, then we just need to click on export and wait until the exporting process completed. Okay, now the exporting process completed, and we can click on show my data to check where all those files located in our device, and the files are located in the download folder. You just need to open the Telegram folder, and you will find the files you have just downloaded from your group chat in Telegram. Alright guys, and that's all the way to download all files from our group chat in Telegram PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.